Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, you will learn how to remove opening quantity from multiple stock items in Tally Prime. There may be a scenario in which you will need to create a company data for a new branch or go down. However, you already have a company data with all the stock items and ledgers relevant to the new branch or go down. In such cases, all you would need to do is delete opening quantity for all the stock items so that you can then enter opening quantity applicable to the new branch or go down. Before removing the opening quantity for stock items, you must take backup of the company data. It will ensure that your company data is safe in case there is a need to revert the removal of opening quantity. Now, let us see how to remove opening quantity from multiple stock items. Open Chart of Accounts from Gateway of Tally. Or press Alt-G, type or select Chart of Accounts and press Enter. Select the stock item. Now, click Multi-Masters or press Alt-H. Press Enter or Multi-Alter. And then press Enter on all items. As you can see, the stock items are listed. You can remove opening quantity from stock items one by one. Bring the cursor to the stock item from which you want to remove opening quantity. Now, go to the opening quantity and press spacebar to remove quantity. As you can see, the opening quantity is removed. You can do so for multiple stock items. Thereafter, press Ctrl A and the changes will be saved. Now, let us see how to remove opening quantity from all the stock items at one shot. Click Zero Opening Balance or press Alt-B. As you can see, the opening quantity is removed from all the stock items. Press Ctrl A to save the changes. You can also use this report to update opening quantity for stock items. Let us see how. It will come in handy when you have a long list of stock items with your opening quantities and you want to update in Tally Prime. Instead of updating the stock item master and providing opening quantity, just bring the cursor to the stock item and enter the opening quantity. You can also update the rate if needed. Press Ctrl A to save the update. After updating opening quantity, you can open any inventory report and check the inventory status. Let's open the stock summary report. Press Alt-G, type or select Stock Summary and press Enter. As you can see, the opening quantities for the stock items have got updated. As you saw, removing and updating opening quantity for stock items is a simple and quick process in Tally Prime. Moreover, all the updates that you make in Chart of Accounts get saved in the respective stock item masters. Thank you. To know more about Tally Prime features, visit help.tallysolutions.com.